What's up, tubers? It is almost 7 o'clock. Sun's been down for 2 hours, actually 3 hours for me, because the sun goes down right up that way behind the mountain first for an hour before sunset. Okay, so I've had a couple of questions on here on the initial review about these lights or LEDs being too bright. So we're gonna go do a 7-mile round trip through Park City and see if anybody flashes those. So that being said, I don't know if this is even going to get posted. I mean, what am I going to show you? Take my word for it that I didn't get posted, that I didn't get flashed. But then you should take my word for it that I did get flashed too, so I could just post it. Yeah. So let's figure this out. I'm gonna let the camera roll for the full 18 minutes. Google Maps says this should take. And I thought maybe we'll do it on the way back, but I thought I would put my high beams on at some point and see if someone flashes me. Now, a couple of what do they call it, controls or baselines for the test, right? I never got flashed with the old silver stars. Never. I mean, I don't even think I'd get flashed with the highs on. Get in the left lane, that way I'm closest to anybody that's oncoming traffic. And FYI, we are going up Main Street. We're not going around Main Street, we're going up it and back down. We're a week before Christmas, I think. Town's just normal right now, but man, overnight this place is gonna become a disaster. Everybody who owns up here, which is, 100% of the town, hello, that's stupid. Everybody who owns up here will be in town. Even if it's your second home or third home, this is a place to be for Christmas. We're supposed to have a white Christmas. If white Christmas means snow on the ground, well, duh. If you're thinking fresh snow, there's like a 40% chance. And traffic here just gets horrible. I don't go out, I damn sure don't come into town. Now here I'm on Park Ave. 2 vehicles right there. One's an FJ. He didn't even flash me. One of the things I'm thinking, see, I almost want to flash this truck right there. But he's parked kind of flat and he's over a hill. He might even have his brights on anyways. No, he doesn't. I don't know. What happens when these sons of bitches with these trucks put a lift kit on the front, they don't adjust their headlights. I did when I lifted this. Merry Christmas. Welcome to Main Street, Park City, Utah. This is kind of dead. them to flash me if they're going to flash me. I don't think it's that bright. Now, the other thing that I think about these lights driving at night, the design of them, they're very much similar to your regular halogen bulb, the way they got that cup over the filament, or there's a cup over the LEDs. Pull your bulb and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. And that creates a line, a cutoff, where the light is not glaring up. So, I mean, if you can keep that line no higher than bumper level, project it out as far as the light will go, the light never gets into the driver's eyes. Does that make sense? So even if you go brighter on these, I wish there was a light engineer. I'd like to send this video to my friend who just got 2 million subs, I think. Engineering Explained. And I'm sure that guy's brilliant, and he presents in a very easy way. About light bulbs and LEDs and replacements. Yeah, I'm gonna forward this to him. This is Main Street and this is normal. I gotta be honest with you. They're staying in business for about 8 weeks out of the year is where they make their money. The rest of the time, they're just practicing. Practicing. Because this is not real busy. Sundance, busy. Is it super crowded? No. Christmas, New Year's, super crowded, super busy. I've never waited in line at Sundance for a table at any restaurant. Even the sushi ones, okay, we waited like 5 minutes. That's because we were waiting on someone who just got their check. What other holidays? The spring breaks. I'm telling you, man, nobody's flashing me. I don't think these lights are that bright. I mean, nobody's giving me any attention. Nobody has flashed us. I don't know if you can see as I can see, but these things definitely got a cut off to the height. You can see on that truck right there, it ends at the middle of his tailgate. Even if it was shining as far out as 90 degrees to the right or to the left, it's down low. It's not in your eyes. It's at your middle of your tailgate. Okay, I just put my brights on. There's a car way down there. flash his brights back at me. Okay, brights are on. Off. Brights. Off. See how when they're off, there's a line. I can see what you're looking at. And that line is down low, even what is that, 100 feet up in front of me. Very tight. Oh, you got your brights on, brother. Don't you? Fucker. I'll flash down. Nobody's flashing me. Nobody's paying any attention to me. There's a Raptor. Right into some people's eyes. Now your lights are bright, Mr. Truck. Fuck, come on, man. Are your lights bright? Dude. Truck was an F-150 and it looked like the front end had been leveled and he didn't adjust his headlights. If that's you, you're a son of a bitch. Adjust your headlights if you leveled the front end of your truck from the factory. Okay, let's go right here. There's a little park right here. Center of the road, 50 feet back from that sign, and I'm guessing high beams, low beams. The low beams are shining down low. So again, I'm going to show you how low they're shining. You see that sign right in front of me? Can you read the top? It says Rotary. But look where the light's shining. It's shining on the right in the middle of the park. The further back I get, that light does not come up. That light goes down. Now maybe my truck lights are properly aimed, because after I leveled it, I lowered the headlights. I want to say 3 twists, 3 turns. Alright, man, that's it. All I'm saying is that that's kind of proof that these are not blinding into the oncoming traffic. High beams on. High beams really aren't helping me here. The low beams do better on my windy, twisty incline of 5 degrees. Cut off, there's your high. I like the lows better. Alright, man. Leave me comments. I talk back. Give me a thumbs up. Thumbs up. Leave me comments. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Even if you don't watch any more of my shit, just show me you love me by subscribing, alright? See ya.